Hi friends, welcome back to the channel iQOO. In this video, I'll try to do the 4G plus speed test and the download test comparison between the Moto H20 versus the Realme GT device. So during this process, I'm trying to use the GeoSIM only as an example. And one more quick note, these results will definitely vary from one location to other location. So in my location, in my town, this is a situation that is what I'm going to exactly compare what is happening between both phones and which phone can actually get more bands. That's what 2cc, 3cc in case you are interested in the carrier aggregation. So first let's check what is the RX monitor showing at this moment. Right now I'm trying to use the Geo 4G as well in both phones, and both phones were able to get the carrier aggregation supported. As you can see, 2CA we are getting in both phones. That's the one thing, as you can see friends. And one quick note, in the Moto H20 sometimes you may not be seeing the 4G place coming on the top. So you need to install the NetMonster application to show you the exact results. As you can see right now, I did install NetMonster. So you're getting the LTE 1800 band. So sometimes with the same band, carrier aggregation sometimes I did not get. Sometimes it happens with the time to time friends. So I cannot mainly judge this phone, because this kind of settings will change every time. This kind of band connecting frequencies and everything. So sometimes the phone will connect to the good band, sometimes not. So right now, as you can see friends, this is the exact band frequency we are getting at this moment, which is the 850 band frequency. But when I'm trying to, the band frequency will definitely change when I'm trying to do the demonstration. Now let me show you in the Realme GT what is happening in the Realme GT. In the Realme GT, I'm getting the 1800 band frequency, as you can see, and even I'm getting the 850 as well sometimes, as you can see. And these bands keep on, as I said, they keep on changing. So we'll get to know only by looking at the notification. So in the notification, I did enable this kind of icon where you can actually see which one is connected to what kind of band frequency. So first is to do the download speed test comparison between both phones, and both phones are connected to the same band frequency, which is 850. Let's see, connecting to the same band frequency, which phone can actually get higher speeds. But the Realme GT was able to get the 2cc, and the Moto H20 is still connected to the 850 only. It's not getting 3cc or 2cc, but usually it will get. Usually it should get, but now at this moment it's not getting. So right now the Realme GT did download the application slightly faster, as you can see clearly friends, slightly. And one more thing, quick note, Realme GT most of the time, out of 100%, 95% of the time I used to get more CCs in this phone, in the Realme GT. If you watch my previous videos on the 4G plus connection data, try to check the playlist of this one, 4G plus. Here you can find the Realme GT smartphone where it reached always like 2cc and 3cc every time. If you try to look at the thumbnail, you will definitely understand it was able to reach always. That's one thing. Even the Moto H20 also reaches to 2cc, 3cc. There's nothing wrong, but most of the time this phone will reach the more bands. That is what I meant. Even right now the Moto H20 has got the 2cc, as you can see exactly. Just now it has got. Now with the same kind of results, let's see. I just want to keep this both phones in the same 2cc's, and I thought of trying to do. But right now we are getting 2cc and 3cc. So let's see which phone will be able to download this faster. No, again, yes, right now both phones 2cc only at this moment, as you can see friends. Same band. Even the Moto H20 is getting 3cc as well, as you can see. Overall, using the GeoSIM card in my location at same time, this is the result I'm getting. So if you're thinking about the connectivity wise, the Realme GT has got slight advantage in terms of the connectivity. That's the first thing which I can definitely say, that even with the same band, we'll be experiencing slightly better speeds in the Realme GT smartphone. Now let's move to the next option, which is a speed test comparison. Let's do the speed test comparison between both phones. So both are connected to the same kind of server, and let's start the test. I should not move these phones very fast, because moving the phones also will fluctuate the internet speeds between them. And right now, as you can see, same 2cc's I'm getting, 2c or 3c. It's very odd to see that, yes, 2cc's. And the speed, you can see how we are getting in the both phones. You can clearly see the difference, how it is. In the same location, using same GeoSIM and doing the speed test at same time, so you will get slightly better speeds in the Realme GT, which I did notice from the beginning as well of using this Realme GT device. Because few of the other phones, they will definitely get this kind of 3cc, 2cc, but this phone was able to manage all the time exactly maintaining that kind of level. I mean, maintaining the 2cc and 3cc bands always. And right now, individual test I'm trying to do individually. So first in the Moto H20, I'm trying to do individual test. Let's see if you try to do the individual how much the speeds we can actually expect in the Realme GT as well. So these are the 12.9 Mbps we got individual test. Next I'll try to do in the Realme GT as well along with that. And as soon as this stops, I did start the test here. Now let's see what happens with these speeds. How much the Realme GT can actually get. Can this beat this Motorola H20 or not? Yes, it can actually beat. As you can see friends, exactly these are the speed results when you compare side by side. So as I said, this will definitely change from one location to other location. So if you're in the metropolitan city, big cities, then maybe you might experience slightly better speeds. But in my location, this is the situation. So if I want full speeds, I need to choose Realme GT in my location. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, what you need to do is that you just need to follow the playlist which are created for the both devices. This playlist will clarify all the doubts what you're having on the both phones, which phone is best in what type of category as well. See you in the next video friends, unless for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.